So once you open the box, first thing you can see is the nice and beautiful, huge buttons, remote control. And from what I understand, this remote control is programmable for 2 users. So it's basically like having a nice Ferrari. You can set everything for 2 different users. We have a bunch of buttons on the top we're going to talk about later. And it looks like this back is magnetic, which is cool. Now we have a box. This is for emergency purposes when there's no power. So we get compression fitting to make sure that your installation is gonna be easy. We get quarter turn valve. Then we get a little plate. And of course, we have an instruction. And then we have a toilet. I was already playing with it. That's why this looks like it's smooth. Now we have a back. This is where LED lights are gonna be giving us beautiful night light. And from what I understand, I think this one also has a removable back. Yes, because this model ZY760 has ability to use a foam shield and automatically clean your toilet. This is really, really amazing. And here we have a LCD port. Now this is the first look of the toilet. This beautiful modern shape. And now here we have a toilet seat. And then, so we have an extra cover. And then right here inside we have a flange accessory package.